Everyone's Dr. Paul. So here we'll be doing a 1/4 partial goblet jump squat. And this is an exercise that's meant to work on explosive force production while also maintaining a good core and stabilized low back region. So for this, I'll start by standing heels shoulder width apart, toes to point ever so slightly out. And then as I dip, I want to make sure that I inhale on the dip and then exhale on the jump up. So inhale, dip, and then jump explosively. So dip, jump, land, stabilize, reset. I don't want to rebound right here. I want to make sure that I hold this good landing. Now, one very important thing is that I don't want to do a slow dip. I want to make it fast. So I essentially just want to unlock my hips and knees, fast, jump up and land, maximizing the elastic energy on that lowering phase to work on the explosive potential that I can get and train that fast nervous system response that we need for any kind of explosive power.